Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the music on the Clash of Clans application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. Now click to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the screen, and here you can find the music button, and just click to the circle and pull on the line and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.